Good morning, 11th graders. I just wanted to talk about what you're going to do today quickly. So at the very beginning of class or before class, if you are caught up in the reading, why don't you take the short reading quiz for Chapter 1, Part 2, which was assigned yesterday, which is the first time you've heard the other Westmore story, not the author Westmore story. That shouldn't take you long. Then come join us in the WebEx. I'm going to start about 5 minutes into class, say 1:35. I will include discussions about how to get to that WebEx, but it'll be, if you've done it before, which a lot of you have, it'll be the same as it has always been. And then you are going to listen and read Chapter 2, Part 1. Okay, so I will go post how to get to WebEx, but really quickly, if you have the app, you should have it on your iPad. Go to the app, click join the meeting, and then put in my room number, which is in your updates many times, but 807018399. You do not have to sign in. Just click join the meeting, okay? So many of you I've seen before. Hopefully I'll see most of you there. We're going to talk about the book and about your issues, and we will go from there, all right?